Working on the inner structure as well. Oh, you can hear all the, maybe you couldn't, but when I turned that.
Heaven where we've never been.
This skin doesn't look too bad. Some for basically $300 odd. In fact, less than $300.
Take me to Nirvana, a place with no more drama, a heaven where we've never been.
Hit it with some dioxidine to protect it, and then this one, an awful lot of steel that's been compromised. We've got to create the patches and then put them in and just basically work our way around.